All right, let's replace the MG steering wheel. First step is to remove the plastic cover. Should pull right out. This steering wheel is from a 74. Now the nut size for the steering wheel here is about 1 inch. It's kind of tight with a 1 inch. I'm using a 1 1/16 and it's a little sloppy. So this is from, again, a 77. I've read online that some have a larger nut, but again, I'm using a 1 1/16 here. So it loosens it up, at that large size. And try to pull it back. Of course, keep the nut on so you don't get hit in the face with your steering wheel. Still won't really come off. Let me get a hammer. All right, so what we're going to do is keep that nut on there so again it doesn't hit in the face. You get your knees behind it, pulling the steering wheel towards you, and then give it some taps on the shaft as you're pulling back, and hopefully it just kind of breaks it loose. So you're almost using it like an impact, breaking that back. Okay, that got it. Now we'll take the nut the rest of the way off, and the steering wheel can come off. Now, here is the hub assembly that the steering wheel comes with. You can see it's got a nice MG logo on it, and the nuts and screws are, it sounds like, inside the hub here. Now, at first blush, it seems that the new wheel is quite a bit smaller than the 74 original one. The original is like 15.5 inches, and the new one is clocking in here at just barely 14 inches. Okay, let's put together this hub assembly into the wheel, and there's only kind of one way it can go in here. And once we get the main hub part set in here, it's a matter of the hardware they send with you here. It's decent. They have these kind of funky lock washer things that I don't love, but we'll kind of put that in and get them all together here. Okay, just get this together and get it kind of screwed in here. Okay. All right, so right before we put it back on here, I want to look at the mechanism for the self-canceling turn signal. And you can see here it is, and it doesn't really cancel all that well. Anyway, for a long time I've been self-canceling it myself. So the new steering wheel doesn't really have an attachment for the self-canceling. Could probably rig something up in there, like I thought maybe one of these pieces would go in there. There is some holes in the steering wheel, but they can't really be made to work right now. So I'm just not going to bother with the self-canceling. That's a future project. All right, I got the nut screwed back in here. If there's a torque spec for it, I don't know what that is, but I just wrenched it down and made it tight, and the steering will be hard to get off in the future. Here we have the center cap that we just kind of line up and can pop it on here. On the 77, of course, the horn is on the stalk, so we don't have to worry about a horn. And we'll just place this in here, kind of line it up, and give it a, no, it goes right in. There's kind of a horn button in the middle. Yeah, but again, my horn's on the side. So here it is in place, and I'll tell you what, it makes a big difference for my long legs. I'm 6'5", and this is it's a nice wheel. I got the vinyl one, not the leather, and I think it looks cool, but it's really going to be helpful in the car for the driving experience. Peace out.